Using clothespins can be a fun way to help your child develop finger strength and pinch. So I generally will have them take a box, or you can use a clothesline, whatever's convenient, and have them pick up a clothespin with a little pinch. Your pointing finger on top, your thumb underneath, open it up, and pinch it to a box or clothesline. Another fun thing I like to do is if I can find some colored clips, or sometimes I'll even paint my my clothespins. I will make marks on a box. I will have them open and match it to the color on the container. This can get kind of tiring, but it's a great activity for developing hand strength.